Hey you, after creating a Premiere Pro project, as I showed in the previous video, this is Premiere Pro interface. Let's break it down into 5 partitions. Down here to the left, you're able to import media. By double-clicking on it, you'll be able to view your media up here at the top, along with editing, keyframes, and effects. Going down right here, you'll be having your timeline. Once you import a clip into your timeline, you'll be creating a sequence, and your video will appear right here at the video playback. In your timeline, you'll be having some tools to the side. Here, you have a selection tool, and you have the razor tool. These are the most frequently used tools in the timeline. We will be taking a closer look at these tools in the future. Going to the far right, you will be viewing your clip info, editing essential graphics, adding effects, editing your video sound, calibrating your video, and managing your markers. These are the mostly used tabs in your project. Anyway, don't worry. We will gain more understanding of the program interface as we advance into the course.